Vlogmas. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'm getting ready to run a few errands right now, so I'm going to take you guys with us. We're going to the mall, just doing a little bit more Christmas shopping today. Tony's coming with me this time, and today we're going Christmas shopping for my son and Tony's mom and his little cousins, so that should be fun. So we're going to the mall and probably like Target and Walmart. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I hope you guys enjoy the last video. I was rushing on that video. It went out pretty late, so if you haven't checked my last Vlogmas video out that I put out on Friday, make sure to check that video out. So they have all the wines in here. Y'all know this is my favorite brand right here, and I like this one too. So they have the Chardonnay. I've never tried the sparkling wine before. You ready? There's so many people in that mall. Whew. There's the sanitizer. It is packed in there. All right, y'all, so I made it back home, and y'all know I've been wearing my watch all day. So you have to download the app to get the information on your phone. But so far, I've had 6,565 steps. And I've burned 1,953 calories today. Go me. I know the lighting isn't the best, but while I was in the mall, I got some plantains. Look. Have you had one of these before, Tony?
I don't know.
I'm trying. Come on, let's try it together. I think I had one before, but it was like years ago, so I'm gonna try it. Let me bless my food.
Looks like you should have some kind of dip with it.
I know, because it's a banana, right? Okay, go. It is good. I do need some kind of dip, though. But what would you dip this in?
Yeah, I don't think it's no dip. It's like something kind of like cinnamon somewhat.
This is actually really good.
Or you'll get it again? I wouldn't.
It is kind of good. I wonder if Tony will try some. Y'all, so let me show you what we picked up for ourselves. Y'all know we did some Christmas shopping, so we can't show y'all everything. But this is what I picked up for myself. The Carolina Herrera Good Girl. And this set was $115. So it comes with the regular size bottle. Let me see what ounce that is. And then the little travel size. And then I don't know what this is, but I won't be using that. This and so this is the 2.7 ounce. This bottle is so cute. And then Tony got the, and then this is what Tony got. How much was this set, Tony? Do you remember? The Gucci. Yeah, this set was $125, and then he got the Paco. And this is the new one. Smells really good. All right, y'all, my watch is harassing me because it keeps telling me get up and move because I only have 153 more steps before hitting my 10,000 steps. I want to show you guys what I ordered from Amazon that I am so excited about. I'm gonna use it tonight because I really need to get back on my little camper days. I used to do it every Sunday, but today we had a really busy day, so I couldn't do it. But it's this right here. It's a face steamer. So y'all know I have two face steamers, but they're pretty old. I've had them for years, and the one face steamer, if y'all remember that situation, y'all know I really don't like that steamer. And then my other one, it's just old, so I wanted to get a new one. So I saw this one on Amazon. It's so pretty. Look at this. It's so pretty. And then it has like the little container. You fill this one up with water, and then the steam comes from out of here. So I'm excited to use this. I'll have the link in the description box below if you guys want to get you one, but I just love this one. I just think it looks so fancy. So I love this. So yeah, I'm gonna plug it up so I can show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so I just have this little small cup right here. I'm gonna take this off. Hopefully I don't make a mess. Oh, yes, I'm making a mess. Oh, that was just enough. Yeah, I know my lighting a little off because I don't have my light on in here. Okay. Now we're gonna sit this back here. I cannot wait to do this. I'm gonna take me a bubble bath and hold on. And it has a little plug protector on here. Take that off. Oh, okay. Okay. Where's the directions? Because y'all know me and these steamers. So we're just gonna wait. I'm gonna just sit it on my lap. And this is the steam nozzle, the touch switch, the water tank. Okay. How long does it take? Do not attempt to modify, disassemble, or repair. Okay. Okay, I can hear it. Y'all hear that? Oh, there it is. What? Why did it turn off? Oh, there it is. Why is it turning on and off though? Okay, here we go. So yeah, this is it. Let's see how I feel. Ooh. I love this. Let me turn it off. So yeah, this is it. My new little boo. My new little toy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup, run me a bubble bath, and then I'll do a facial tonight. So y'all, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am IAMSHERIKAB, and I will see you guys on tomorrow. Bye. Christmas in my heart.